Welcome to MA Study Expert channel. Part 2 MCQs of General Science 4th class. For JVT post of Balochistan Education Department. One. Which one of the following is a hard metal? A. Gold, B. Copper, C. Silver, D. Iron. Answer is D. Iron. 2. The color of aluminum is A. White, B. Light pink, C. Light blue, D. Yellow. Answer is C. Light blue. 3. Which of the following is not a form of energy? A. Light, B. Sound, C. Water, D. Heat. Answer is C. Water. 4. We hear echo when sound A. reaches us direct from the source. B. comes after bouncing back from a wall at a certain distance. C. comes from a loudspeaker. D. is very loud. Answer is B. comes after bouncing back from a wall at a certain distance. 5. How many colors are present in sunlight? A. 1, B. 3, C. 5, D. 7. Answer is D. 7. 6. If you take your hand nearer to the lighted lamp than to the wall, the shadow of your hand A. will not form, B. will be smaller, C. will be bigger, D. will be of the same size. Answer is B. will be smaller. 7. Electrical energy can be transformed into A. heat, B. light, C. sound, D. all of them. Answer is D. all of them. 8. What is force? A. push, B. pull, C. lift, D. push and pull. Answer is D. push and pull. 9. When a body changes its position, it is called A. friction, B. force, C. motion, D. gravity. Answer is C. motion. 10. All bodies are attracted towards Earth due to A. force, B. friction, C. gravity, D. motion. Answer is C. gravity. 11. If we apply the same force on a toy car, it will travel longer on A. rocky soil, B. marble floor, C. floor bricks, D. gear. Answer is B. marble floor. 12. Which machine consists of grooved wheel? A. lever, B. pulley, C. inclined plane, D. gear. Answer is B. pulley. 13. Glass is made from A. sugar, B. sand, C. plastic, D. rubber. Answer is B. sand. 74. About what percentage of the Earth's surface is land? A. 1%, B. 21%, C. 29%, D. 30%. Answer is C. 29%. 15. Remains of dead animals and plants found in the earth are called A. soil, B. minerals, C. stones, D. fossils. Answer is D. fossils. 16. To make things reusable is called A. recycling, B. conservation of resource, C. care, D. cycling. Answer is A. recycling. 17. An example of non-renewable resources is A. oil, B. soil, C. sun, D. solar energy. Answer is A. oil. 18. The earth is surrounded by A. water, B. air, C. clouds, D. land. Answer is B. air. 19. About dash of land is cultivated A. 10%, B. 11%, C. 12%, D. 13%. Answer is B. 11%. 20. World Soil Day is celebrated on A. 8th March, B. 9th November, C. 5th December, D. 9th November. Answer is C. 5th December. 21. Dinosaurs were Desh-like giant animals. A. Sparrow, B. Lizard, C. Corn, D. Bat. Answer is B. Lizard. 22. About of Earth's surface is water. A. 71%, B. 75%, C. 80%, D. 85%. Answer is A. 71%. 23. The imprints or remains of dead organisms are called A. Painting, B. Picture, C. Fossils, D. Images. Answer is C. Fossils. 24. Coal, petrol, and natural gases are the examples of A. Old resources, B. New resources, C. Non-renewable resource, D. Renewable resource. Answer is C. Non-renewable resource. 25. The second largest mine of natural salt in the world is located in Pakistan. A. Peshawar, B. Karachi, C. Lahore, D. Khewra. Answer is D. Khewra. 26. The solid non-living chemical present in the earth are called A. Compounds, B. Substances, C. Minerals, D. None of them. Answer is C. Minerals. 27. Forest cover Desh of the total area of Pakistan. A. 5.2%, B. 5.5%, C. 7.5%, D. 7.2%. Answer is A. 5.2%. 28. Earth are called A. Compounds, B. Substances, C. Minerals, D. None of them. Answer is C. Minerals. 29. If it rains suddenly, what do you observe? A. Weather condition, B. Climate, C. Weather and climate, D. Location. Answer is A. Weather condition. 30. Which zone of the earth receives vertical sun rays? A. Temperate, B. Tropical, C. Polar, D. All of these. Answer is B. Tropical. 31. The climate of the regions of polar zones. A. Extremely cold, B. Warm, C. Humid, D. Mild. Answer is A. Extremely cold. 32. Due to the smoke and gases emitted from factories and vehicles, the average temperature of the earth is A. Increasing, B. Decreasing, C. Not affected, D. Sometime increasing and sometime decreasing. Answer is A. Increasing. 33. In how many zones the earth is divided on the basis of climate? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer is B. 3. 34. The study of weather conditions is called A. Biology, B. Physiology, C. Astronomy, D. Meteorology. Answer is D. Meteorology. 35. The maximum rain in one day recorded in Pakistan was A. 620 mm, B. 650 mm, C. 680 mm, D. 700 mm. Answer is A. 620 mm. 36. D is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. A. Longitudinal line, B. Polar line, C. Oblique line, D. Equator line. Answer is D. Equator line. 37. 98. The minimum temperature recorded in Pakistan was K2 peak. A. -45 C, B. -50 C, C. -51 C, D, -55C. Answer is C, -51C. 38. People wear warm dresses in Desh climate. A. Temperate. B. Warm. C. Cold. D. Normal. Answer is C. Cold. 39. The instrument to measure the temperature of air is known as A. Galvanometer. B. Barometer. C. Rain gauge. D. Thermometer. Answer is D. Thermometer. 40. The people that study the weather conditions are called as A. Biologists. B. Physicists. C. Chemists. D. Meteorologists. Answer is D. Meteorologists. 41. On the basis of climate, Earth can be divided into __ zones. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer is C. 3. 42. Temperate zone is a zone as here sun rays fall slant. A. Mild. B. Hot. C. Cold. D. Partially cold. Answer is A. Mild. 43. The gravity of which body keeps the planets and other celestial bodies together in the solar system? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Sun. D. Moon. Answer is C. Sun. 44. The Earth completes its rotation around the Sun in 365 days. This period is called A. Solar year. B. Solar month. C. Lunar month. D. Lunar year. Answer is A. Solar year. 45. Due to the annual revolution of Earth and tilt its axis, day and night are formed. B. Season change. C. Eclipses are formed. D. Shadow are formed. Answer is B. Season change. 46. On the globe, in which part of the Earth is Pakistan situated? A. Northern Hemisphere. B. Southern Hemisphere. C. Equator. D. Half in Northern and half in Southern Hemisphere. Answer is A. Northern Hemisphere. 47. Which planet of the solar system does not have any moon? A. Jupiter. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Saturn. Answer is B. Venus. 48. The Desh is the center of solar system. A. Earth. B. Sun. C. Moon. D. Stars. Answer is B. Sun. 49. The circular path of a planet around the Sun is called A. Circle. B. Path. C. Orbit. D. Square. Answer is C. Orbit. 50. Desh is largest planet in the solar system. A. Earth. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Mercury. Answer is C. Jupiter. 51. Desh is a natural satellite of the Earth. A. Moon. B. Venus. C. Mercury. D. Mars. Answer is A. Moon. 52. Full moon is also known as A. Badr. B. Crescent. C. Hilal. D. None of them. Answer is A. Badr. 53. The diameter of moon is A. 3000 kilometers. B. 3500 kilometers. C. 4000 kilometers. D. 4500 kilometers. Answer is B. 3500 kilometers. 54. Earth completes one rotation around its axis in A. 20 hours. B. 240 hours. C. 28 hours. D. 32 hours. Answer is B. 240 hours. 55. The revolution of the Earth around the Sun is called A. Seasonal motion. B. Circular motion. C. orbital motion. D. None of them. Answer is C. Orbital motion. 56. Earth's axis is dash towards one side. A. Straight, B. Round, C. Vertical, D. Tilted. Answer is D. Tilted. 57. The other side of moon is called side. A. Bright, B. Dark, C. Lighted, D. Unlighted. Answer is B. Dark. 58. Clinical thermometer is used to A. Make shapes, B. Measure inflammation in the body, C. Check fever, D. Measure blood pressure. Answer is C. Check fever. 59. The number of corners of a prism are A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Answer is D. 6. 60. The surface of cube are A. 3, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. Answer is C. 6. 61. Taking photograph of oneself is known as A. Portrait, B. Selfie, C. Landscape, D. Oneself. Answer is B. Selfie. 62. Which items is used to reduce inflammation as a first aid? A. Medical tape, B. Tweezer, C. Thermometer, D. Instant cold pack. Answer is D. Instant cold pack.